Hey there, dog lovers! Welcome to our channel, where we celebrate the joy and adventures of our furry companions. I'm Xander, and this is my gorgeous 5-month-old puppy Minerva. Today, we are in Kent, touching some grass and checking out the art of Folkestone Central train station to Folkestone West Station. Let's hit the pavement with my furry pal. This Millennium Memorial wall is giving good vibe energy. The blue tiles give me major chill vibes, peaceful sea and sunny skies. Weeds in the wild totally transforming this red brick. Pop of neon out there, some folks holding lucky symbols. Let's take a moment to recycle some luck and put pennies in. Make a wish and take another coin to take the luck with us. So we're walking, everything seems normal. Then boom! We look down and there's a secret garden happening underneath you, like some hidden game on Fortnite. This is Insta-worthy place in Kingsnorth Gardens. The cool part, because it's lower than everything else, it feels quieter and the noise of the world just disappears. As you know, outings with these little balls of chaos aren't really walks. It's being dragged in 17 different directions, whilst this tiny creature is trying to sniff every leaf and bug and mysterious crumb on the pavement. Perfect chill spot to overthink life. Take moody selfies or eat snacks while pretending you're royalty in a secret garden from a fantasy novel. Dogs gotta be kept on leads though. I promise we'll have some off-lead action later. Vibing like we're in a moody indie music video. Not only is this a great scratching post for a puppy, this wild woke up late messy grass is a 5-star A&B for bees. Space to chill, snack and do the whole saving the planet thing. When bees are happy, we eat better. Eco power! Autumn aesthetic, feeling maple hot chocolate now. Another. Walking down Shawcliffe Road. Here's a little play park for the kids. Dog's on lead again though. Little Paws doing that cute fast trot thing. Finally, off-lead fun. St Mary's playing field is fenced in and enclosed private land, but the owner doesn't mind respectful dog owners using the green as long as they clear up after the dogs and shut the gate. It's an ideal place to burn off energy before getting the train back. Heading to West Station now. Big car park, $6.50 for a day. There are some recent additions. Bronze casting. The bronze isn't super shiny and it's aged a little greenish. Like it's been through stuff. Adds to the steampunk energy. Vintage looking platform buildings straight out of the black and white movies. It's kind of fancy in a gritty, cool, historical way. I could almost hear the steam hissing and people rushing to catch trains in long coats and hats. A quiet place where someone might run and yell, "Wait, don't leave!" in the middle of a dramatic goodbye. So the next time you leash up your pup, remember, it's not just a walk, it's an opportunity to create and connect and appreciate all the beauty nature throws your way. Thanks for joining me on this colourful journey. If you've enjoyed the vibe, want more awesome ideas for puppy adventures, smash that follow and subscribe button, and maybe drop a comment.